Okay guys, in today's video we will talk about market order. I believe everyone watching this video has created an account with an MT4 and you've learned how to navigate through your MT4. This video we are talking about different market order. The first market order is the instant execution. This is an execution you do instantly, and we have what we call pending orders. Pending orders are orders you place when the market hasn't really gotten to your entry or exit point, but you hope it will, and maybe you might not be on your screen, so you have to place a pending order. Then we have precaution order. Precaution order, whether you're an instant executor or a pending order kind of trader, you need to always apply precaution. Precaution order is a stop loss. You need to have a stop loss. You need to set a stop to where you want the market to take you out. So I call that precaution order. It's a stop loss. It matters both for instant execution and pending order. So instant execution definitely means buying instantly at a price point. Then you put your take profit and your stop loss. But pending order is where you should focus more on. For busy people who can't be on the screen all the time, you need to use pending order. And pending order, we have 4 of them. We have the buy stop and the sell stop. We have the buy limit and the sell limit. I'll be sharing my screen with you in a moment, and I will be explaining them in real time so that you know what they look like and know how to use them. So this is how you do it. First of all, this is a fresh chart. I want to show you how you could use the market order. This is a fresh chart. Okay, go to views. When you go to view full screen, you reduce the screen, you right click it. I want to set up my setting. You right click it, you go to the color, you click on color scheme, black on white. Then you go to common, you make sure that you have your period separators on. You remove the grid, and yes, that's it. Then you go to color, black and white here, click on OK. Then you right click and you see the indicator lists. You click on it and you have to remove all these indicators. You click and delete, click and delete, and click and delete. If you want to be an indicator based trader, you can actually use this place, insert, or you can actually use this area, or just right click. I'm just trying to show you insert indicators. Yes, this is it. You put an insert and this is your indicators. You can see different indicators, trend indicators, average, this Bollinger Band. These are the indicators. This is where you get your indicators. You click on here and you click on here. Make sure that this is not highlighted. This is the only one that is meant to be highlighted. It's highlighted now. So I've told you in the introduction of this video that we have different market order. Instant execution. If I'm to execute instantly, there's no money on this account, I want to sell this market at this moment, what I will do is that I will just click on new order. I'll just click on buy or sell. You get, then you need to adjust your volume. Volume depends on the amount of capital you have. Well, as a new trader, maintain 0.01, 0.02 to 0.05. Don't exceed 0.05 as a new trader. So let us use 0.02. There's no money in this account. This is just 600 naira account, so it's not really going to execute. So if you want to buy this market at this point, all you have to do is just sell not enough money, okay, or buy not enough money. So this, if there was enough money, you'd have sold or you'd have bought. So this is how you use the instant execution. And this is a place where you put your stop loss. Stop loss is at the left. If I'm buying this market right now at this point, for example, if I'm buying this market at this point, then my stop loss should be at this point. So what I will just do is that I'll click on new order, and I'll put my stop loss. Stop loss is 1.8010. This is my stop loss, and my take profit should be around here or here. It should be above. I will now use 1.109440. I'm using this level here. So this is it. This example purpose. So I will now click on buy. There's not enough money, it's not going to work, but this is how you do it. So sometimes I might give you a signal, or I might give you a market commentary where I give you certain levels and say you should buy, but you're buying at your own risk. This is how you do it. Then we have the market pending orders. This is how you do the pending orders. You click on new order here, and instant execution pending orders. You can see the pending orders here, and I told you there are 4 of them. We have the buy limit, the sell limit, the buy stop, and the sell stop. They have different functions. The buy limit is the opposite of the sell limit, and the buy stop is the opposite of a buy stop. Now if I'm selling on a buy limit is, let's say for example, I'm buying at this level. I believe that this market currently at this level is going to come here, maybe target this liquidity, and is going to buy. So what I will do is that I will set my buy stop here, and my stop loss is going to be here. Take your time and watch this video, you're going to understand it. It's not rocket science. So if I'm buying at this level, this is my stop loss, and this is going to be my take profit. These are the 3 important levels: the entry order, whether it's a buy stop or a sell stop, the entry order, your stop loss, and your take profit. So this is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to click on, let me start afresh. I've gotten my 3 basic points: my entry point, my stop loss, my precaution order, and my take profit. So this is what I'm going to do. New order is not instant, it's pending, and we are working out on a buy stop, right? So the entry point is this place here. This is my entry point, 1.08010. Yes, that's my buy. Then my stop loss, ST, that's stop loss, is 1.66606630. That's my stop loss, and my take profit is above 1.10125. This is how you do it. Somebody might give you a signal and tell you to use a buy stop, a sell stop, a sell limit. This is how you do it. Very simple, and you place. There's not enough money, so it's not going to work. But this is how you do it if it's a real account or a demo account. So this is how you use the buy stop, and opposite of it, use it for the sell stop. So how do you use the sell stop? Let's say I'm selling at this level, then my stop loss is here. My stop loss should be above my entry because I'm selling. So this is my stop loss, and this is my take profit. I impute, this is my entry point. I'm anticipating that the market is going to retrace and get to this point and take me down to this level as my take profit, and this is my stop loss. If the market gets to this point, take me out of the trade. This is how the stop loss works. Then the buckets, the buy stop and the sell stop. This is limit order. This is the pending order. We have the buy limit and sell limit. This is how you use the buy limit and sell limit. Then the buy stop and sell stop is not exactly the same as the sell limit and buy limit. This is usually used by breakout traders. Let's say now I'm believing that this market is going to break out at this level. It's going to break beyond this level. So what I'll do, I'll place a sell stop. Now the market won't come to me. The market will break and continue going down. So I'm going to use a sell stop at this point. My take profit is going to be here, and my stop loss is going to be here. So in the case of buy stop and sell stop, I believe that the market is going to continuously go down, break below my level, and continue selling. That's what they call it, sell stop. It's going to continuously going to sell. It's not a limit order. Then on the other hand, if I'm using a buy stop, I believe the market is going to go up, break above the entry level and continuously go up. Now, people who use the sell limit and the buy limit are people who trade retracements. But why people who trade breakout, people who believe that the market is going to continuously keep going to that direction, use buy stop and sell stop. That's how it works. This is the market orders, guys. It's very, very easy. Come to your MT4, use it on a demo account, get familiar with the order, and you'll be fine in the long run. That's how it works. You need to get used to using the MT4 and place this market order. So now I believe you've understood what the market orders are. Somebody might give you a signal to buy instantly. Somebody might give you a signal to buy on a sell stop or a buy stop and a limit order. So you know the differences and you now know how to use them. If you like this video and subsequent video that will be coming in future, give us a like, subscribe to this channel, guys. Until next time, I wish you good luck and good trading.
Index Media.